let's talk dragon breath. Some kids wake up in the morning with real scary breath, and there's really three places that can come from. The place that is easiest to address is the mouth. And so we have some suggestions of things that you can do to help reduce bad breath from the mouth. But if it comes from further back, like the tonsils or postnasal drip, that's when we get into the realm of needing to see your primary care physician or your pediatrician, your ENT, and they can usually help with those areas. If it's on the tongue though, the best thing that you could do would be tongue scraping and mouth rinse. So the tongue scraping options that you have, you can buy a tongue scraper. They're kind of funky looking. Brushing typically is kind of hard and it kind of tickles the tongue, but if your kid can tolerate it, more power to you. And you know, you don't even have to go buy something to be able to scrape the tongue. A spoon is actually a really comfortable tool for a kid. They know it, they are familiar with it. Keep it in the bathroom and just go in there and clean every day, scraping the tongue forward, making sure that you're getting any of those bacteria that tend to cause those bad breath smells, the volatile compounds, that you can get them out. If it's coming from the mouth, you can also use mouthwash. Now, mouthwash, of course, is a skill. You got to learn to rinse and spit. And I've found that the best way to teach kids that is for them to see you do it as a parent. So a lot of times they want to be just like you, and they can get in there and learn it pretty fast if they watch you using mouth rinse. The issue is a lot of times parents brush their teeth way after their kids go to bed. So kids are never really seeing their parents participate in that activity. So I would just encourage you to show them so that they can practice rinsing and spitting. And once they've mastered that skill, then you can introduce a bad breath specific kids mouth rinse. Now we definitely want to make sure it's kids because the adult ones often have alcohol, which is not appropriate for kids. So if you find one that you really like, I think it's, not something you want to share with your kiddos, and they're probably not going to like that minty flavor anyways. So we find that they like a bubble gum, a strawberry, something that's fun and interesting. And TheraBreath for kids, which is specifically for bad breath, tends to have a really good result in kids that use it. And so from a bad breath perspective, I would definitely start with that one. Plus it has fluoride, so it'll help prevent cavities as well, which is a double whammy. Happy trails.